Hi, my name is Stevie. I'm learning to be an entrepreneur. Please support me by just buying one keychain. We have red, orange, green, different green, blue, light blue, purple, pink and white, black, rainbow, and glow in the dark, my favorite. You can make them for your friends, your family, your teacher, or for party gifts. Just pick one of color and in the comment below. And comment down below. You can choose 4 charms. So I would choose maybe this S for Stevie. Maybe this gaming joystick because I like to play video games. Maybe flowers because I'm outdoorsy. And this football because I like to play football sometimes. So you can pick your color, like black, and just stick them on, and then you can put them on to your backpack for school or your handbag for work or whatever bag you have. The cost is $8 and shipping is $4. Thank you so much. Have a great day.